Good morning, everyone. 36th District Court is in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving, or listening to any electronic devices. When your name is called, please give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Mr. Malafite. This is the People versus Jason Daniels, ticket number SP 1331679, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Malafite.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafite, P72339, on behalf of Mr. Daniels. Mr. Daniels, please state your name for the record.
Jason Daniels.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth to dismiss these matters for proper documentation. We'd stipulate to probable cause.
All right, with that, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Daniels, good luck to you.
Thank you.
We can do Mr. Fari Dixon.
Go ahead and log off, Mr. Daniels.
Okay.
The People versus Trafari Dixon, ticket number U 383-29017. Count 1 park vehicle on grass at City Park. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tim Malafite, on behalf of Mr. Dixon. Mr. Dixon, please state your name for the record.
Trafari Dixon.
Judge, today is the date and time set for review in this matter. It's my understanding that Mr. Dixon has complied with everything. We would just ask that the court now dismiss pursuant to the original offer.
All right, because Mr. Dixon has complied with all the requirements of the court, this will be dismissed with prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dixon. Do you have any questions?
Will I be able to get my license now?
You need to contact the Secretary of State. You may have to pay some reinstatement fees.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, sir.
Thank you.
Go ahead and log off, Mr. Dixon.
All right.
This is the People versus DeJour Drew, ticket number P1341627, count 1 improper plate, count 2 drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3 no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Malafite.
Tim Malafite, on behalf of Mr. Drew. Mr. Drew, please state your name for the record.
Jordan Drew.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth to dismiss these matters. We would stipulate to probable cause for proper documentation.
All right, with that, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Did you have any questions, Mr. Drew?
No, I do not.
You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Go ahead and
All
log
right,
off, Mr. Drew.
This is the People versus Raphael Riley, ticket number SP 1173933, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Tim Malafite, on behalf of Mr. Riley. Mr. Riley, please state your name for the record.
Raphael Riley.
Your Honor, in the same fashion, there have been recommendations put forth to dismiss these matters for proper documentation. We would stipulate to probable cause.
All right. Without prejudice, you are all set. Mr. Riley, did you have any questions, sir?
No, I don't. Thank you. Have a great one.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we can call out Anthony Reedus and Teray Dillard. Those are both going to be not guilty pleas.
Okay. I have it right here.
Oh.
I have Dillard. And then Anthony Reedus.
You said readings?
And
I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah, we can do that.
Ms. Rondu, I brought you out by mistake. Would we be calling her case?
You know,
too?
actually, you can call her. She's also
Okay.
going to be a not guilty. It's a little bit different, but yes, it fits in the same category.
Okay,
No more than one time.
Anthony Reed.
Yeah.
and we waiting on Dillard.
SB 128-156. That's count.
Mr. Dillard, you may have to go get, Ms. Demelopite, you might have to go get Mr. Dillard because he's not coming out.
Yes, sir.
Can't break up on 4. Mr. Dillard, could you turn on your device? Miss Dillard, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While person in session, no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, driving around. When your name is called, please give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, this is the people versus Anthony Reedus, ticket number P128-156-7, count 1, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, tenant windows, front driver, passenger, windshield more than 4 inches. And then ticket number 342703, count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance, uninsured motor vehicle. And then ticket number 377483, count 1, operate uninsured motor vehicle on roadway. And count 2, drive. No, there is no count 2. All right, good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Malafide.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Mr. Reedus. Mr. Reedus, please state your name for the record.
Anthony Reedus.
Your Honor, at this time, we continue a plea of not guilty and ask for a bench trial date.
And I know that there was only one ticket that was on the docket, so I guess we'll find out what happens with all these other.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Reedus, raise your right hand, sir.
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You do understand you have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
yes,
Okay, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set it for a bench trial for September 22nd at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
no, ma'am.
You're all set. I do see, Mr. Malafide, that the other 2 counts on this ticket, they are civil infractions, so it's possible that they're already in default.
Okay.
All right, so you're all set, Mr. Reedus.
Thank you. You say September 22nd, right?
Yes, sir, September 22nd at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Teray Dillard, ticket number SX394-39202. Count 1, open alcohol in the motor vehicle, driver. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Malafide.
Tim Malafide, on behalf of Ms. Dillard. Ms. Dillard, please state your name for the record.
Ray Dillard.
Your Honor, at this time, we continue a plea of not guilty and ask for a bench trial date.
Okay, raise your right hand, Ms. Dillard. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
yes,
So the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea set up for a bench trial for September 22nd at 9 o'clock. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set. This is the People versus Myleta Rondo, ticket number P1229893. Count 1, drive-by license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. The warning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Malafide.
Tim Malafide on behalf of Ms. Rondeau. Ms. Rondeau, please state your name for the record.
Myleta Rondo.
Your Honor, we'd like to continue a plea of not guilty on this. The one thing that I would like to quickly inform the court of is that from what Ms. Rondeau has told me, she actually has at least one, if not two, court dates that are coming up. I'm presuming it would be in front of Your Honor, but I am not certain. One of those dates is, hold on a moment, October 26th, but she also seemed to indicate that there was another one coming up in September. Judge, all we're trying to do at this point is to consolidate. So whatever her next court date is, we just want to make sure that her tickets fall on the same day.
This case number.
P1229893.
What we doing here, we setting it for what?
Well, she had said she has an upcoming case, September 21st and one on October.
Oh, since she missed that date. So I'll put them all together.
What day?
Are we using trial date?
Did you want to set this for a trial date, Mr. Malafide?
If they're being set for trial date, that would be our preference, Judge, but I want to make sure that it matches with whatever was happening on her next court date. So if that's a pretrial, that's fine as well. But we would prefer a bench if we could.
They're show cause.
Okay.
So I'll set them for 22nd,
Okay.
September 22nd.
So you want to call those matters too, set everything for a bench trial? Okay, what I'll do is I'll call the other matter so we can just set everything for a bench trial. So
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, we're also here on ticket number SP 1229893, count 1, drive or license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1339874, count 1, drive or license suspended. Count 2, insurance no proof. And count 3, something about brake lights. Failed to have brake lights. And then ticket number U56286120, count 1, false felony misdemeanor. All right, so with that, Mr. Malafide, your client wishes to set these off for bench trial.
That's accurate, Your Honor. Yes.
Ms. Rondo, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea and set up for a bench trial for September 22nd at 9 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you.
Any questions?
No, thank you.
Good morning, Mrs. Simeon.
Good morning. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. I hear you have someone that speaks Spanish and you need identity or something.
Yes, I'm gonna need his first name, or I'm gonna need the correct spelling of his first and last name, because I couldn't communicate with him at all. And
Okay,
the iPhone caller right there.
okay. Señor, en el iPhone, señor, ¿usted habla español?
Sí,
Ok, ¿cuál es su nombre? ¿Cuál es su primer nombre?
Ever Riveras.
Decime las letras de tu primer nombre.
E, B, E, R. Y luego el apellido.
Sí, también, ¿cuál es su apellido?
R, Rivera.
Oh, Rivera. Ok.
Sí,
Entonces, su primer nombre es Eber.
sí.
So his first name is Eber. It's like Eber.
Give me-
E-B-E-R.
Give me his last name first.
Sí,
His last name is Rivera. R-I-V-E-R-A.
Okay, first.
His first name is E-B as in boy, E-R.
Okay. Rivera's, okay. Ever. Okay, E-V-E-R. Okay, tell him I'm gonna put him in the breakout room, and while he's in that breakout room, be patient and don't answer this phone, let it die out on him.
Señor, te vamos a poner en un cuarto virtual que es privado y ahí tenés que esperar, tener paciencia, no cuelgues y no tenés que dar respuestas a otras llamadas que vienen, ¿ok? Quédate
Ok.
ahí y después viene un abogado a hablar con usted.
And while
Okay.
he- And while he's,
Okay.
and while he's in that breakout room, be patient, Mr. Malafide will be in there, his attorney to assist him momentarily.
Ok. Sí, ten paciencia cuando estás. El abogado Tim Malafide, él te va a ayudar. ¿Ok?
Ok.
Ok.
Si habla español él.
No, yo voy a interpretar para usted. Does he speak Spanish? No, I will be interpreting for you.
Ok.
Okay.
Okay, and tell him I'm gonna put him in breakout room number 15.
Okay. Do you want me to go in there as well with him?
Well, you can.
Okay.
You can. I mean, you can, because Mr. Malafide being there. Sure.
Yeah, just go right ahead, I think.